Hello SkyValet community on Kickstarter. Many of you have asked for a demonstration of the inside being packed and unpacked of the carry-on. We have packed the bag fully and to show you what it can hold. There are two separate pockets, both fully zippered, with one section having an accessory pocket and a wire pocket or whatever you might need it for. We have packed one section with a sweater with 6 socks, with a toiletry kit that is fully packed with your essentials. We have packed as well 4 t-shirts and a polo shirt. We have also packed a lounge pants. The second section as well a belt and some wires, extra cords. This section we have placed 6 undergarments. We have placed 2 pairs of thick jeans, and we have placed 5 folded dress shirts. As you can see, the capacity easily is for up to a 7-day trip. Hello SkyValet community. Many of you have asked to see the interior of the business case up close. It is in the open position now, and it is unique in that it stands upright. The compartments can be used for files, papers, documents, contracts, etc. And this section can be used for a day or two of clothing if you're traveling overnight or for 2 nights. However, the versatility of this case provides that the dividers are removable Here are the section dividers attached by Velcro and snaps. If you wish to use your case more for clothing, it has a clothing snap closure, and clothing can go all in this section and in this section. That way you can pack for even up to 5 days. Thank you.